Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's take a look at question 23 from the STARR test. It says, Mr. Jenkins deposited $1,250 into an account. He made no additional deposits or withdrawals. Mr. Jenkins earned 4.25% annual simple interest on the money in the account. What was the balance in dollars and cents in Mr. Jenkins's account at the end of 4 years? So this question is asking about the account balance after interest is earned. Now with this question, we do need a calculator, but this question is actually even simpler than the other questions. So what do we know about interest? Actually, we have learned about interest and we have learned about the formulas for interest, for calculation of interest. And you don't even need to actually memorize those formulas. Those formulas are given to you in the STARR test. So where are the formula? So in the actual test, you are given on the second page of your test, there's this reference material, and this is a list of the formulas that you need. And that one we are going to use is interest. It's actually here. And there are two formulas for interest. One is called simple interest. The other is called compound interest. So to go ahead, we will need to determine whether we are using simple interest or compound interest formula for this problem. So for this one, let's read the question again. And we will find out Mr. Jenkins is earning 4.5% annual simple interest. So this question is about simple interest. So we are going to use a formula for simple interest. So you have to be careful that you have to choose between simple and compound interest formulas. So the simple interest formula says I equals to P times R times T. I is the interest, P is principal, R is the interest rate, and T is the time in years. So what do we know from the question? We know the P, the principal is how much? $1,250. And the interest rate is 4.25%. And the time is 4 years. Okay, so those information were given to us. Now we can go ahead and solve this problem. We are going to just apply this formula. I equals to P is 1,250 and the rate is 4.25% and the T is 4 years, so times 4. And we're going to use calculator. 1,250 times 4.25% times 4, and that is 212.50. 212.50. Okay, so we applied the formula and we got this 212.50. Is that the answer? Well, we are just one step from the answer. Remember, this formula, the I, this is the interest, but we need the account balance. So account balance, we need to use the interest plus the original, the principal that we deposit. So it should be the sum of the interest and the 1,250 deposit. It should be 212.50 plus 1250, and that will be this one plus 1250. It's going to be 1462.50. So that is the answer. So remember, you have to add back this principal to get the total balance. So the answer is 1462.50. Okay, did you get the correct answer? I hope you learned how to use the formula. If you like this lesson, leave your comments, give me a thumb up, or hit the subscribe button so that you will receive notification next time my lesson comes out. Peace.